Welcome to Homework Lib.
Chapter 14, question 72. The decomposition of hydrogen peroxide is catalyzed by iodide ion, which is over here. The catalyzed reaction is thought to proceed by a two-step mechanism. So a catalyst is what we have in the reaction at the first step, and what we have out at the last step. And as you can see, this is not changed, and this can go through the reaction again and again and get out without changing. So let's write the chemical equation for the overall process at first. So what we're going to have is, let's write the left-hand sides all together. H2O2 plus I minus plus IO minus plus H2O2. And let's write the right-hand sides together. H2O plus IO minus plus H2O plus O2 plus I minus. So if we rearrange this and make this more beautiful, what we're going to have is H2O, H2O, that's going to be 2 H2O2, and I cancels with IO, and on the right hand side, we're going to have 2 H2O plus O2. Now this is our overall reaction. At part B, they're asking us identify the intermediate, if any. So the intermediate is what we have in the products of one step, and that is going to be consumed in the reactants of the other step. So the intermediate for our reaction is going to be IO minus. C, assuming that the first step of the reaction mechanism is rate determining step, what is the rate law for this overall reaction process? So for solving C, the important thing is that we need to have the reaction determining, the rate determining step. If something is slow, then that is going to determine the rate. This is like the same analogy, but if you have a group of people and if the grandma is walking with you, then even if you're faster than your grandma, you gotta walk with your grandma because her stepping is going to be slow. So that's going to determine the speed of the entire group. So we need to look at the first reaction over here. And the rate law for this is going to be K H2O2 and I minus.